And I assume that there isn't anyone else who does invisible antennas because I haven't seen any myself. So it's Eamon with ipXchange. We're here at the Taoglas booth at Embedded World. I'm with Zara from Taoglas, and she's going to be talking to us about these quite hard to see antennas. So Zara, would you like to explain what these are all about?
Absolutely. So we've just launched our range of visible antennas. As you can see, we have them covering cellular up to 5G. We have them for Wi-Fi covering up to Wi-Fi 6, and we also have them for GNSS. They're a really exciting launch. As you can see, they're extremely low profile. The material that they're made out of is a carbon nanotube. And carbon nanotube hybrid materials. So this is really exciting for the industry because it's such a sustainable material. So at Taoglas, we really focus on our carbon footprint, and in turn, it's also really important for our customers. The kind of applications that we see it being used in is EV charging, digital signage, smart buildings, transportation applications on the glass. So the options for it is kind of unlimited. We're really excited to see what our customers decide to integrate it with and their own product designers. So yeah, the innovation that this kind of antenna is going to bring will be amazing. And we've had a lot of success already with our existing flexible antenna solutions. So the fact now that we've taken kind of the next step and we found this invisible transparent material, again, we can see just all these different kind of applications that the antenna can be used for.
And I assume that there isn't anyone else who does invisible antennas because I haven't seen any myself.
Not that I know of, don't quote me on, but yeah, it's definitely a disruptor to the market, a first-to-market antenna solution. And they're just extremely lightweight. At the moment, they come with the FACRA connector, but of course, we have great in-house engineering, so all of the solutions are fully customizable as well. So any kind of connector that the customer might need, we can work with them. And as well, the kind of size and shape of the antennas is customizable, so depending on the customer's device and space available, we'll be able to do all of that for our customer as well.
Oh, nice. So I guess the important question is, how would you evaluate this technology? But I guess it would be done via sample and then talking to Taoglas.
Yeah, absolutely. So depending on kind of the RF expertise a customer has, sometimes they'll take the antenna and test themselves, but we do have a full engineering team at all our locations across the US, in Europe and in Asia. So we also have full testing chambers where the customer can ship us their device and we can test the antenna for them, and they'll get a full analysis report to make sure the antenna is performing optimally.
Oh, cool. So Taoglas really helps you with integration.
Absolutely. Yeah. And especially when it comes to RF, it can be quite tricky. You can build the best device in the world, but if the antenna's kind of parameters or what you need to respect about the antenna in terms of the surrounding metal components or the clearance or where you're placing it within your device, then it won't operate well. So thankfully we do have the experts that can help us out there.
Oh, excellent. We're at another Embedded World, so is there anything you'd like to add about your experience at the show this year?
It's been great. It's definitely a very engineering focused trade show, which we obviously love. You're really dealing with the kind of decision makers when it comes to their devices, and they definitely know RF quite well, but maybe sometimes know their limitations, so they always know to kind of come to Taoglas to assist them with any of their questions.
Nice. Cool. Well, thank you very much, Zara. That's been Taoglas's Invisible Antennas.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Hi, it's Jake here. I'm usually on the other side of the camera. I've introduced myself to a good number of you already, and I've definitely noticed we've got a lot of automotive design engineers. This could be quite a good solution for you for in-vehicle connectivity, and obviously all of the applications that Zara mentioned in the video earlier. You only really know if you try out the tech for yourself, so follow the link in the description.